Go ahead and talk your shit. I know you're hoping that I'll react. I know you're hoping I'm looking back. But if my real ain't real enough, then I don't know what is. Let's find a light inside our universe now. When ain't nobody keep on holding us down. Just come and get it, let them say what they say. 'Cause I'm about to put them all away.
Focus on me. 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 Focus on me.
Focus on me.
Focus on me. Focus on me.
Focus on me. 1, 2, 3, come on, girl.